So I first discussed this stock on 9th of December 2020, and since then it's been a rise of 660% or so. So it's a phenomenal rise, I would say, that the stock has shown. And if I'm not wrong, so in this kind of trend, I always say that the predictability or the forecasting works in a very good way, and the stock is very near to its all-time high, which means towards the upper end of the range, and that's what we are going to discuss over here, how to deal with this kind of trend. But I would definitely suggest you to check my previous video before watching this video, where you can get a sense about the trend and how it has evolved. And definitely we are going to discuss how the things will evolve in the upcoming weeks as well as in the upcoming months. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are discussing about the long-term chart of Torchlight Energy. Now, if you are looking at this trend, so this is a flat chart, and the last 10 odd years the stock hasn't gone anywhere, but the levels or the important level which it has crossed, like this, okay. So here we have, so these are the important levels that the stock has crossed, and crossed in a very sharp way. So what you need to understand first are your important support levels, okay. So you have two most important support level. First will be 2.5, and then you have a 1.83. So if the stock falls below 1.83, there is no need to carry any trend further on the downside, okay. Otherwise there is a probability that the stock can again move towards 22 cents. That's why it's not I don't say that it is not advisable or so, but don't go beyond or below 1.83. That would be a likely scenario, okay. That should be a likely scenario from a trade perspective. Now if it holds above $2.5 as it is right now, then the levels that we are going to look at will be something like this. It has already crossed this level, 4.03, so it is also your support level. But as I told you, this is a flat chart, so we have some limitations in this chart and that's why we will restrict ourselves and follow the levels accordingly. So on the upside there are two specific levels that we are looking at for the time being. I'm saying for the time being, but we can't do anything, okay, in this kind of chart. So that's the restriction. So the two levels that we are looking for the time being will be 5.5 and $6.9, or you can say $7 on the upside. And this is the nature of the chart which will restrict us not to go beyond the range, and we will reanalyze the chart after the stock takes it moves at or below 6.9 or $7. So let's see how it move, and let me tell you, if it breaks above $7 and sustain above that, so there will be a start of a fresh trend, and it will push up the price lot more higher, or a much higher level, or a very big level I would say is about to start, but that requires confirmation, and the confirmation is given by the stock itself, and that will happen once the stock makes a breakout and sustain above $7, okay. So that is yet to be seen. So for the time being we will restrict ourselves till 5.5 and 6.9, and on the downside don't look below 1.83. So that's the thing you need to understand. Let's see how the stock moves and we will reanalyze the chart accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.